practical number 2, title Fitting of normal distribution and computation of expected frequencies, use of normal probability paper to check normality raw data. This is the title of the practical. Example for normal distribution: fit a normal distribution to the following data and find expected frequency. This is the example. Classes 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. Then frequency 17, 33, 45, 23, 11 and 1. Answer: since the normal variate assume the value between minus infinity to infinity, we take 2 or more classes. Example: minus infinity to 10 and 40 to infinity, each with frequency 0. The following steps involved to fit normal distribution. Step 1. Estimate the parameter mu and sigma. We have to estimate the parameter mu, that is mean given x bar, and sigma cap means this is the standard deviation, and standard deviations formula summation fi into xi square divided by n minus x bar square. Step 2. Standardize the ordinate given by lower limit of class intervals. So Zi is equal to Li minus mu cap. This was wrong. Okay, Zi is equal to Li minus mu cap. Mu cap is the mean divided by standard deviation. This is standard deviation, where Li is the lower limit of the ith class. Then step 3, find phi of Zi. Means this phi of Zi we have to find normal probability paper. जो table we have given, that table we have to find that from that phi of Zi using normal probability table. Now step 4, find probability associated with each class interval. It is given by P of, this is P of Zi minus Zi less than Z is less than Zi plus 1 is equal to phi of Zi plus 1 minus phi of Zi. Means we have to find that in fourth step. Step 5, find the expected frequency as n into P of Zi less than Z is less than Zi plus 1, where n is the total frequency. So table for calculation. Classes we have given the lower limit, okay, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, that is we have given. Then midpoint of this, okay, we find the midpoint, means we find here midpoint of this is this, okay, this plus this, okay, midpoint of these classes. Now frequency which we have given 17, 33, 45, 23, 11, 1. Then lower limit, we write here lower limit, okay, infinity 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Now we have to calculate Zi, means lower limit minus mu divided by sigma. So for this infinity as it is, okay, so for first value we have to use lower limit 10, means 10 minus mu, which mu value we calculate here, that is 21.7692, okay, that is this value find from the mean formula, means summation xifi divided by capital N. from this formula. Okay, then second value, take this lower limit 15 minus 21.7692. then next lower limit take 20, then 25, 30, 35, and this is for 40. These values obtained, lower limit taken as a 40. Okay, then this value phi of zi, first value 0, it is as it is. Then second value is obtained. This first value obtained from the normal probability table. See here, this is the normal probability table. Okay, then this minus 2.033 minus 2.033. So we search here, means I can zoom. This is 2 and 033. So we can search this value 2.0, this 2.0 and 33. This value means we take this 0.0 and 0.021178. 1178 for this 2.0. Okay, in this 3. In such type we find phi of zi. Okay, so we write here values 0.21178. The next value is minus. When the values are minus, we have to write probabilities as it is. The values of phi of zi is as it is. Okay, which we have given in the probability table. Then minus 1.17. So how can we find? Minus 1.1 and in 7 and in 7. So this is 12100, but we have to take this 0.12100. 12100 means here 1.1 and this 0.12100. So we write as it is. Again minus 0.305. Again we find in 0.3 and in 5. Okay, 17. That value in 19. Likewise, we calculate this value. When it is positive value, then 1.4. This 1.4, and next is 2, second column 1.4, and in second column this 0.77804. okay, then we minus from 1 this probability. Okay, 1 minus 0.77804, we get this answer. Okay, so positive values we find 1 minus this probability. Okay, then next table, next column we find, so this value minus this value. This value minus this value means this is phi of zi plus 1. This is zi plus 1 minus phi of zi. Okay, so minus this. This value minus this value. Okay, then this value minus this value, we get this. This value minus this, we get this. This minus this, we get this. This minus this, we get this. Okay, this minus this, we get. Okay, likewise. So last table, last column, n into pi. N means 130. Frequency is 130. N is equal to 130 into pi. Pi means this column. Okay, so 130 into this 0.021178 is equal to this. Again, all the values multiply by 130, we get this, and additions of this is 130.001. This is the exact fit, this is the fitting of the normal distribution. And here find here mean, variance and standard deviation